Hello everyone, this is a little tutorial of how to use the RaZ Plus or RaZ Kids reading. So if you come from the link from Google Classroom, you will then hit Kids Login. From here, if you do not see this screen pop up, you need to put in my teacher name. So that is my teacher name to get you to this spot. Next, you need to come down and find your name. So I made a little account for me. So when I scroll down, I can see my name. I click my name. Then I need to put in my password. So once you've put in your password, you will see this page. Now there's a couple things you can see. We have our reading room, where it has a bunch of books in here that are around your level. So remember, you can come back to your leveled books, and then within here, you can see all the books through here. I can go back to reading. You can also do some leveling up. So this is where you can level up your reading. And then there's also a My Assignments page. So here, this is a spot that I have assigned some books to you. So I could assign a running record where you will record yourself reading a book, and then you can answer some questions. So I'm looking at what my assignments are. So here I can see I have an assignment ready for me to do, and I have a book to read. So here I'm going to read the book first, then I'm going to do a quiz after. You can also choose to listen to the book too. That is fine. Now when you choose to read, you have an option to record your voice. So when you have to record your voice, that lets me listen to you read. So if that's an option that you would like to do so I can listen to you, that is perfectly fine. Then when you finish the book, so I will just skip through the book here. So when you finish the book, and hit done, you get some stars. Then you can do a quiz. So this button right here is for the quiz. So when you do the quiz, it's going to ask you some questions. So this is where I get to see what you understand. I hope this helps you all understand how to use RaZ Kids and RaZ Kids Plus. If you need any help, do not hesitate to email me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have fun, everyone. Take care.